Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 7. How are you? Hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform NIEVS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, assistant teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Day-Shift. Today, I am going to conduct an information and communication technology class for the students of class 7. Dear learners, let's go to book to check what will be our today's topic. So look here, our today's topic is MCQ 1 to 10. I repeat, our today's topic is MCQ 1 to 10 in our revision segment. MCQ 1 to 10 in our revision segment. So look here, this is our lecture number 14 and SW number 13 on our annual term syllabus. And I am present before you with MCQ with revision segment. Dear learners, this MCQ we have already learned in our regular and normal classes. So I hope that all of you are ready to learn this in our revision class also. In these connections, I request all of my students of class 7 to look at both. So look here, I have given 1 to 10 MCQs. These are very much easy to learn, to memorize also. So look here. Choose the best answer from the alternatives. Number 1, which place at home is the most convenient to set a computer? So look here, look at the first MCQ. Which place at home is the most convenient to set a computer? Option A, drawing table or drawing room. B number, bedroom. C, dining room. And D number is reading room. Dear learners, look here, it is written which table is very much convenient to set a computer. Okay, that means drawing room is the best place to set a computer. That means option number A is the proper answer, drawing room. Now look at the question number 2. In the field of social network, so look here, in the field of social network, option, you may not directly communicate the individuals. 2, people lack sincerity. 3, there is every possibility of being deceived. So look here, which one of the following is incorrect? Is correct. So look here, which one of the following is correct? Option number 1 and 2, B 1 and 3, C 2 and 3, and D number 1, 2, 3. So dear students, I am telling you again, in the field of social network. So look here, you may not directly communicate the individuals. Yes, we can consider. Number 2, people lack sincerity. Yes, we can consider. Number 3, there is every possibility of being deceived. That means D number 1, 2 and 3 is the proper answer or correct answer. Now MCQ number 3. A man obsessed with the computer may be. So look, a man obsessed with the computer may be, or addicted to the computer may be. A, unsocial. B, skilled in computer. C, good at study. And D number, advanced in science and technology. So look at the word, a man obsessed with, negative word. Obsessed with computer may be unsocial. Answer will be A, option number A is the proper answer, it is unsocial. Now read, okay, we will read here. Read the chapter below and answer the questions number 4 and 5. Rimi is 5 years old, recently waking up in the morning, she starts watching cartoons on television. As she does not bother her parents, they are also pleased. Now we will go to our next page to have MCQs number 4. So look here, her watching cartoons can be turned as, so look here, her watching cartoons can be turned as A number, spending time. B number, serving purpose. C number, an obsession with cartoons. And D number is enjoyment. I am telling again, her watching cartoons can be turned as A number, spending time, no. B number, serving purpose, no. C number, an obsession with cartoons. Yes, C number is the proper answer. Look, an obsession with the cartoons. Now questions number 5. Rimi for the attitude of the parents to her may be dash. Rimi for the attitude of her parents to her may be 1, unsocial to the utmost. 2, physically weak. 3, a creating being. So look here, which one of the following is correct? 1 and 2, B 1 and 3, C 2 and 3, D number 1, 2, 3. So I am telling again the question. So look here, Rimi, for the attitude of her parents to her, may be unsocial to the utmost, yes, we can consider. Physically weak, yes, we can consider also. That means option number A, 1 and 2 is the proper answer. Now MCQ number 6. Which one you enjoy most in cyber world? So look here, which one you enjoy most in cyber world? A, website, yes, we can consider. B, email. C, software, and D, telephone. Dear learners, this is very much interesting and most of you know the answer. Which one you enjoy most in cyber world? It is website. It is website browsing. That means option number A is the proper answer, website browsing. Number 7, how many rules we should follow for using internet? So look here, how many rules we should follow for using internet? A, 2 rules, B, 3 rules, C, 4 number rules, and D, 5 number rules. In our textbook, chapter number 3, we have learned there are 3 basic rules which we should follow for using the internet. That means option number B is the proper answer, 3 basic rules while we using internet. Now questions number 8, the temperature inside the computer can dash. So look here, the temperature inside the computer can, A number increase than outside, B number decrease than outside, C number remain same, and D number none of the above. So look, the temperature inside the computer can remain the same. That means C number option is the proper answer, remain the same. Now MCQ number 9. So look here, we should not give address, picture when using internet too. So look here, number 9, we should not give address, picture. So look here, 2 important thing, address. Whenever the people will be unknown, mind it, whenever the people will be unknown, we should not give address, picture when using internet too. Option number A, friend, B number unknown people, known people, C number unknown people, and D number relatives. So I have already told, that means whenever it will be unknown people, we must not or we should not give address and picture. It will be unknown people. We should not give address, picture when using internet to unknown people. MCQ number 10, this is the last MCQ. So look here, if children see cartoons every time, then what? If children see cartoon every time, then option number A, increase the knowledge, D, B, decrease the knowledge, C, harm their mental growth, and D number, decrease their experience. So I am telling again, if children see cartoon every time, then increase the knowledge, no. B, decrease the knowledge, no. C number, harm their mental growth, yes, we can consider. That means harm their mental growth. Okay, if children see cartoons every time, then harm their mental growth or they harm their mental growth. So dear learners, look at the end of our book. It is written homework. So look, it is homework number 13. Here also written lecture number 14 and homework number 13. Your homework is MCQ 1 to 5. So look, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This 5 will be your homework. Dear students of class 7, I see when you submit your SW, you only write the answer. But I am telling you again, this is not the proper way to submit or to do your SW. At first, you will pick up the 5 sentences or 5 MCQs. I am telling, in your SW session, it is written that your SW is MCQ 1 to 5. You must write the 5 MCQs, then the 4 options. Nobody will write the option number 1 or 2. It is seen that in your copy, you write only the answer and some of you write only the option number 1 and 2. No, this is not the proper way. At first, you must write the 5 MCQs, then the 4 options. Then you will get the tick mark which one is the proper answer. Dear learners, I hope you have understood this important revision class. In our regular classes, we have learned 1 to 15. That means 50 MCQs. And in our today's revision segment, we have 1 to 10. Inshallah, with more 4 classes, our revision segment of MCQ will be finished. Keep practicing at home and do your SW properly. Finally, abide by your parents' advice. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.